See friends, whether we believe or not, हम लोग किसी के घर में जाते हैं ना, तो थोड़ा सा वाइब्रेशंस आता है. किसी को मिलने जाते हैं तो वाइब्रेशन आता है. That is nothing but frequency. And the entire world is dependent on the frequency. और इसलिए कहीं के पास जाते हैं तो हमें मिलने का मजा नहीं आता है. क्यों नहीं आता है? अपनी फ्रीक्वेंसी मैच नहीं होती है ना. जब मैच होती है तो गले लगने को मन होता है. राइट? वी आर ऑल इंडियंस, वेरी एडेप्टेबल. दुनिया की कोई भी चीज आप देखो, हम लोग बहुत जल्दी एडॉप्ट कर लेते हैं. एंड दैट इज व्हाट हैपेंड विथ मी आल्सो. In just such a short time, I adopted to new norm. I was part of the COVID task force, government of Maharashtra. और हम लोग ने, आप जो देख रहे हैं ना, पूरा Z security, ये वो ट्रैफिक पुलिस, everybody we gave them preventive drug, and that made a lot of difference. ये जो उस टाइम के चीफ मिनिस्टर कौन थे महाराष्ट्र के? उद्धव ठाकरे जी. उद्धव ठाकरे जी की उसमें 400 का फोर्स था पूरा जेड सिक्योरिटी में. 400 में से सिर्फ 5 को, दे वर एक्सपोज्ड एवरी डे, सिर्फ 5 को हुआ कोविड, बाकी किसी को नहीं हुआ. तो आगे मेरी स्लाइड. अच्छा, सी व्हाट इज माय पर्पस ऑफ लाइफ. और मैंने लाइफ का बाकी जो 10-12 साल जो भी रहा है, 16 के बाद 10-12 अच्छा होता है ना. लेफ्ट लाइट कौन सा है? एक ही है. ओके. सो आई एम पैशनेटली इन्वॉल्व. मेरा पैशन बहुत है. कुछ भी करता हूं ना तो पैशन से करता हूं. 5 जनरेशन से हम लोग होम्योपैथी है, और आई गिव माई हार्ट एंड सोल टू इट. आई हैव बीन टेक्नोलॉजिकली क्वाइट sensitive. We have created a software solution, decision support system, which is being installed in 150 plus countries. हम जो टीचिंग करते हैं वो 108 कंट्री में जाता है, और हमने 2 मिलियन पेशेंट्स बिल्कुल गांव-गांव में देखा है. गांव-गांव में जहां पे कोई नहीं पहुंचता है, वहां हम लोग पहुंच जाते थे और ऑनलाइन ट्रीटमेंट की है. So that has been my passion, and we have done lot of work. I have been teaching all over world, practically more than 500 seminars. ऐसे ही खड़े खड़े 9 घंटा 3 दिन तक चालू रहता था. ये पराग वाला चालू नहीं है, मेरा वाला चालू. I have been appointed as the Wheels Foundation. और एक बहुत अच्छी बात कहना चाहता हूँ, आप लोगों से शेयर करना चाहूँगा कि Wheels Foundation has appointed me as Ayush Director, and we have taken up a big project on depression. So I came to know about benefits of ASTRO-DOWSING about 2 years back. जब कोविड था तभी मेरी मुलाकात रोहित भाई से हुई, और बहुत सारे डिस्कशंस. एंड you heard that beautiful sound frequency with, trust me, take this frequency at home. You may not do anything, but that frequency will change your home. And how does it affect? It will affect your house stress, business, relationship, financial. And मैंने ये सब चीजें खुद एक्सपीरियंस की है. And finally the health, because that's my subject. ये क्या भाई नहीं हिलता है? रेंज के बाहर हूं मैं, नहीं जा रहा है. तो नेक्स्ट करना. So together, just do next. Play. Okay. So we started treating cases of drug addiction, which was very, very difficult to manage. We started treating the relationship issues. We took care in multiple cases of COVID, and we work together. And what is the synergy? See, we have to understand what is the benefit of doing homeopathy, because homeopathy also has a frequency. So the results were coming much faster. That was my experience. And the distance did not matter. The patients were somewhere else, and it worked at 3 levels. The beautiful 3 levels: it worked as preventive, wellness, and giving long-lasting relief. See, preventive is very, very important. अगर आपका कुछ अच्छा हो जाए before even you fall ill, it's the best thing you can do to your system. So all the 3 categories, we saw a wonderful result. Okay? And another advantage which we saw was the investigative part of it. That there were a lot of patients who do not communicate the right thing. So we could get lot of right history with the help of this investigative procedure. You know, I could get कि इसमें love failure है, कहीं तो भी लफड़ा है. And the patients who were hiding the information, it helped us to give a better medicine diagnosis. Next. The distance does not matter. They were miles away, we could help them. Next. Okay? So we have taken together 2 projects. The main 2 projects we are going to work on is depression and autism. Why depression? It is very, very important. Next. See, the world loses $1 trillion worth wealth because of depression. और मैं चैलेंज के साथ में बोलता हूं कि हम लोग जितने भी बैठे हैं यहाँ पे, either for a small fraction of time or for a very long time, we have experienced depression. कोई भी ना नहीं बोल सकता है. And what do they say? 1 minute यार, इतना जल्दी सुसाइड पे मत लेके जा, थोड़ा टाइम है. It is going to be the biggest cause of disability worldwide. हम लोग को भी पता है. So we have started globally focusing on this. Next slide, please. Play. Play the video. छः अंदर. वॉल्यूम दो, वॉल्यूम नहीं है. See, whether you like it or not, it's going to be the biggest problem. And if we are able to prevent, occupy them in a right way, it can literally transform their life. नीचे देखना, वो वॉल्यूम ऑन नहीं किया होगा. सुसाइड था ना, इसलिए लास्ट में आया. what happened? 15 to 24. Just imagine these children committing suicide. कितना दर्द होता है माँ बाप को. And 1 out of 5 get help. बाकी के 4 का क्या हालत होता है? अब सोचो, पेरेंट्स की क्या हालत होती है? And this is what we want to relieve. Next slide, please. Next slide. Next slide. See, approximately 280 billion people suffer. There are 8 types of depression. Just understand. Next slide, please. WHO says biggest cause. Next slide. And we are going to manage beautifully, train the people. We are going to help focus on teenage. And we are going to involve practitioners, postgraduate students, medical students, global stakeholders, patients all over the globe. We have taken it as our mission. And please join with us on this mission first, and let us create a holistic, healthy, and harmonious world, and let's have this mission accomplished. The second project which we have taken is autism spectrum disorder. 1 out of every 45 child in USA and 1 out of 166 child suffers from autism today. And to take care of 1 child, you require 4 people. Just imagine the loss, the global loss which we are having. Next slide. And so that is why we have taken it as a project for treating autism spectrum disorders. Next slide. Now I'll just share in short this particular child. Play. Just play the slide. Video. I'll take 2 more minutes. I know we have time which we have to respect. This particular child, when he came, he failed in mathematics. He could not even pass his exam. And when we completed the treatment,
Dr. Jawahar, sir,
volume. Just raise the volume.
Improved a lot in academics as well as his personal atmosphere also. Earlier, like he used to be very lethargic and very poor in academics. In the school, we on daily basis we used to get complaints that he was not coping up with the classwork as well as homework also. his mother used to take care of entire academics. Now he is having that kind of responsibility also, that
The
he has
guy
to recover
stood, the child
all the
stood
areas like
first
where.
in the entire district. The child stood first in mathematics and English. And not only that, after the treatment, this particular child would get big encyclopedias, study those encyclopedias, and ask, go to the next slide, ask the teachers some of the difficult points which even teachers could not answer. So this is the kind of, if you are interested in bringing about this kind of shift, we have the solution. So those who are interested, please register outside with your name, email ID, and phone number, and we'll arrange something extraordinary for you. Thank you very much. Thank you for your patience and your attention.